Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome to your video. Today I talk about beautiful ring for Valentine's Day. Let's go and talk about ring. Look at this ring. This ring is very beautiful. I love it, this ring. Look the design. The design is very specially and very luxury. I love it, this design. Look, the brilliant in the ring is very nice. I love it, it's brilliant. Look, wow, the brilliant form is very good. I love it. And I think the young woman just like this design because it's very new and suitable just for young woman. A beautiful gift for Valentine's Days, I think. And what do you think is okay for Valentine's Days or no? Write me in the comment please. Thank you so much. Let's go and see another rings. Now look at this ring. This ring design is very new and I love it. Look at this part. This part is very good. I love it. And look at the brilliant in the ring. The brilliant design in the ring is very nice. I love it, this design because it's very beautiful in the hand. Just 3 seconds, imagine in your hand this ring. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's so beautiful and I love it, this design. And I think the young woman or mom just like this design because it's new and basic for a luxury form in the hand. And what are you thinking? Write me in the comments. Look at picture number 3 and final ring. Look, the design is very luxury. I love it, this design. Look, wow, the brilliant design in this ring is very nice, and the color is very special. I love it, this color for this ring because it's very special color and very nice in the hand. This color, look at the diamond is very good. Wow, look at the diamond. Wow, the diamond is very good. Just 3 seconds, imagine in your hand. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's very beautiful in your hand. And I think the young woman just or mom like this design because it's new and it's not very bad in the hand. And what are you think? The young woman and mom like this ring or no? A beautiful gift for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Before go out, please like, subscribe, and share this video for friends. And don't forget, comment for me. I love you all. Goodbye, my friends.